So in the last video we see how to install Windows Server 2025 in Windows Hyper-V environment. So we rename the server. We rename DC01 and we assign static IP address 192.168. And if it is in productive environment, you need to update the server, but it's virtual machine, it's a live environment, so we don't use this update feature. So today next topic is installing ADS role in Windows Server 25. We will install setup Active Directory domain service now, and then we'll promote the server to domain control, and we will create new first, and the domain name will be zuber.com, and we will verify the domain control functionality, and then at the end, this one we'll do it in the later video. So we'll test, and we will join the client machine or Windows 10 client machine to our domain control. So we'll follow this guide step by step. So let's open our Hyper-V manager. This is the Windows Server DC01 we installed previously. So let's start and connect. So it will open. I don't know what's asking. So I don't know what it means. Let's stop, turn off, better to say start, then it will open. I don't want to put from the beginning. Yes, connect. Yes. So this is our DC01, our domain controller. So now let's not become domain controller with this one. It's like, so now we are going to install Active Directory domain service, then we will promote the server to be a domain controller. Okay, so we'll follow one by one. You already assigned IP address in the previous, we rename the server, so we'll follow all these guides in the previous video, but in this video is only we'll just install Active Directory domain service, and then we will assign we will promote the server to be as a domain controller. So let's wait until to be ready, the server. I don't know why it's very slow. So let's use full screen. So our IP address is, let's see our IP address, CMD. I want to see my IP address. IP config. So this is my IP address, 192.168.108 subnet mask like this. So if you want to see all IP address, we'll say all. So this is my IP address, 192.168. DNS server is 192, the same server, because this will act as a DNS and the domain controller. So how we are going to add roles? So we'll go to manage this area. Here add roles. We have many roles, like Active Directory domain service, DSCP role, and file server, printer server. But now add roles and features. So we'll add now Active Directory only. Active Directory and domain service. In the next video, in the future, we'll see how to install the SCP, what is the SCP, and we'll see file server and we'll see printer server. But let's see first, let's begin with the window directory, Active Directory. Let's install Active Directory. So next, role-based feature, and next, this is our server 192.168.112. So then next, so our service will be Active Directory domain service. Add features. As you can see, that we have so many features like DNS server and the SCP server. So let's install Active Directory. When I install Active Directory, DNS will be installed by itself. So next, this will be installed now. Next, install. So we will be installed. I will stop the video until this installation finish. So as you can see, the installation finish. Then we'll say close because the installation is already finished. So now we'll promote the server. From where we'll promote? From here. So I think I'm doing some installation. So I will promote from servers. Here is promote the server to be domain controller. Okay, promote the server. Add domain controller. So we don't have add domain controller, add an existing domain. So we don't have add a new domain to an existing forest. No, we'll create new forest. So the root name will be Zubair.com or .com. So specific domain controller capability, domain name, and so this is the catalog, and this is the password. Don't forget this, but this password you will use it as a bug of Active Directory. So in product environment, you need to keep this password in the safe area because you will use it for backup of Active Directory and computers, Active Directory users and computers. Next, so this is the way we promote the server. So next, this is sysvol. This is the database of the Active Directory. Active Directory and the one Active Directory and users. This is all script that we follow to install. This is, you can use this script to install, or you can use PowerShell to deploy through PowerShell instead of the graphical interface. So the next, then install. It will take a few minutes to complete the installation. So now we cover some parts, like we install ADS role in Windows Server, we promote the server domain control, we create new forest, and we will verify. The last one is now we are creating the forest, and in the last we will verify domain control functionality. So let's see. So I think the PC is restarting now because finished the installation. I don't know why it's making laggy. So let's see. Let's wait until finish the installation. Yes, it will request a restart. Okay, it will restart by itself. So now it's starting the PC, and itself it will create a profile, everything. Reconnect. So let's wait. I think it will take time. So let's wait. Let's see. So now we are going to verify the main control functionality after restart. So in the next videos in the future we will test domain controller join from the client. We will install another virtual machine with the window client, then we will join to the domain controller, and we will create the users, we will apply policies. This will do step by step in the next video. So it will apply the setting by itself. You need to be patient until complete the installation. So no need to make anything, the system will apply by itself the settings, so we need to be patient. So it will take a little few minutes until to be make ready the setting. So let's wait until finish this window. So as you can see, our Windows server is doing become domain controller. So let's the username will be administrator, and the password will be the one we begin. This is our domain controller, DC01. Now we call it domain controller. So let's wait until finish the setup. Now we will see that the Active Directory and Active Directory users and computers will be ready in the tools area. I will show you. After we finish this one, in the next video we'll install the window client and the virtual machine, and then we'll join our domain controller to test it. So let's wait until this become green. So let's go to tools. As you can see, this is our Active Directory users and computers now is ready. So you can see this is our forest, and this is users. So in the next video we'll see how to create organizational unit and how to create users, how to reset the password, and how to disable the account, and how to apply, how we can see computers here. When the computer joins the domain controller, this is 01, it will be appear here, and we will create organizational unit. We will create different groups like distributing group and security group, and we will see how to create the users and how to reset the password and how to disable the accounts. In the next video we'll see, but now let's see some like I have seen in dashboard you can enable the recycling bin. Can't remember, I was so can't remember, I have seen in one tutorial that you can enable recycling bin. So if you delete the users, it will not will be deleted, it will be like recycling bin, it will remain there. I don't know the dashboard. Start maybe this one. I don't want to hide. I can't remember that feature, but we'll see it. Yeah, this one. This is our computer name. This is 01. Our domain controller is 0.com, and last installation updates if there is any updates, and remote desktop disable we will talk about later. This is our the what you call our IP address, and what is the second thing? Can't see. We'll see it in the next video how to enable the next. So I can see this is in tools. Any if you add any roles in features, it will be shown here. Like now you install Active Directory users in computer, it will show, and it's already there. Group policy. Where is the group policy? We have group policy management. We'll do it later. We have DNS. If you install printer server, it will be shown here. If you install the STV server, it will be shown here. And this will see it in the next video. Now we completed our tutorial. Our next video will be joining the client to the DC controller and creating users and Active Directory users and computers, and deleting the password, resetting the password, and disabling the account, and creating different organizational unit. So until next video, see you.